Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nahidzrul Ghadafi and my matrix number is 07DKA20F1029. In this video, me and my other group member will do the presentation for case study about road maintenance techniques with the green technology for subject DCC30103 Highway and Traffic Engineering, and we are all from DKA3A. To start the case study presentation, I will start with the introduction. Traffic maintenance refers to continuous process that involves keeping and repairing of the existing road. With that, to control damage and maintain the safety of road users, it has been implemented. There are several types of highway maintenance, and among them are emergency maintenance, routine maintenance, periodic maintenance, and rehabilitation maintenance. The damage caused on the road is also caused by the numerous traffic flow. In addition, there are some green technologies that can be used in a maintenance technique. Green technology is a technology which is environmentally friendly, developed and used in such a way so that it does not disturb the environment and conserves natural resources. Other than that, it is also known as environmental technology and clean technology. Next is the objective. Objective of this case study is to identify road maintenance techniques with the green technology. And the second one is to overcome all road damage in some urban areas. I will continue the presentation with the problem statement. As we all know, the traffic density is increasing day by day, and it also has affected the roads. Most of the road in Malaysia was under responsibility and involved with the Federation government by Highway Malaysia Board for highway link maintenance, Federation government by Federation JKR for Federation road link maintenance, and state government by State JKR, District JKR, and Town Council for local and state roads link. As we know, traffic flow in urban areas is indeed a lot, especially during peak hours when people come back from their work, and as a result, a lot of damage resulted on the road from numerous traffic flow. Therefore, the main objective of this case study is to discuss the road maintenance technique with the green technology to overcome all the road damage in urban area that is caused by numerous traffic flow. With that, we have identified some of the damage that has occurred in the city due to numerous traffic flow, and traffic maintenance is important to avoid any risk involving accidents around the risk area.
Hello, my name is Wainer, matrix number 07DKA20F1037, and now I will continue with contents or observation of the case study area and discussion. So the first one is patching. So patching road is a vital problem for anybody in charge of maintenance, but especially for road maintenance. A proper surface upkeep determines the pavement's lifetime, and a surface that has been properly maintained will last substantially longer than one that has been neglected. So patching are commonly thought of as a method of repairing a road. However, they are still considered damage since some patches are lower or higher than the original road level. So the next point is potholes. Potholes is a type of road damage that may be seen on the road surface. It has the shape of a little pressure that happens on the pavement surface, which is shaped like a ball. Fatigue cracking causes potholes because if these fractures appear on the road surface and are not repaired quickly, The cars that utilize the road will exacerbate the road's condition. So the third one is transverse cracking. So transverse cracking, as the name implies, runs the length of a material or object's cross-section, which is generally perpendicular to its center line. So it is usually the result of axial stress from external forces or temperature changes caused by shrinking. So longitudinal fractures intersect with transverse cracks at a 90-degree angle, and these fractures may cause the object to deteriorate or enable corrosive elements to enter. So transverse cracking is often caused by thermal expansion or contraction, where transverse cracks run perpendicular to the pavement centerline or lay-down direction and are not part of any pavement joints or seams. Transverse cracking also may result from a reflection crack of an underlying layer or bitumen, or can be called as alphas binder or hardening. So the next one is depression. So depression is a localized pavement surface where areas with slightly lower elevations than the surrounding pavements. Depressions are very noticeable after the rain when they fill with water. So frost heave or subgrade settlement resulting from inadequate compaction during construction. Depressions are tiny and limited location by definition. So to discover the underlying cause of failure, a pavement depression should be studied. For example, subgrade settlement or frost heave. The problematic pavement should be removed, followed by excavating out and restoring the area of substandard subgrade, and cover the repair subgrade with a patch. So the last part is discussion. All of these roads are unsafe for automobiles, particularly for motorbikes. Heavy-duty vehicles such as lorries and trailers have a higher risk of being involved in an accident. Poor road conditions can lead to accidents and bumpy journeys. The road will deteriorate to the point that it will be extremely dangerous. Transverse cracking, depressions, road patching, and potholes are all examples of this. Risky road events can cause serious and life-threatening injuries to the drivers. And among these are hand injuries, fractured bones, internal wounds, and brain injuries. This will result when the victim being sent to an emergency room for treatment, as well as significant medical expenditures.
Hello, my name is Akmal Irfan bin Heidi. I will be continuing the presentation on the conclusion for our case study. So, from this case study, we can conclude that there are many methods and ways to repair problems and damage on the road by using traffic maintenance technique with green technology. We also learn new things where road construction work that we know is too costly it can be saved by using green technology based construction methods. Not only that, with these methods, we can also prevent pollution and damage the environment. There are many types of road damage that often occur nowadays. Things like this should not be allowed and taken lightly as it involves road users and will inconvenience the local community. Action to repair damaged roads should be taken immediately
And do not forget to use the best methods such as green technology methods to maintain and ensure the construction work and road repair work does not damage and pollute the environment. So that's all from us. Thank you.